this thing on? Morning, everyone. It is October 19th. It is early. It's a beautiful day, though. It's going to be great. So let's see what we've got in store for you, because we got something really special.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Steel Mountain Moto, baby. Sunday service, part 2. Let's get it.
That's okay.
That does it, boys and girls. Sunday service part 2 in the books. Part 2?
You can tell it's been a long day. But
It's been a very long day.
It's been a great day. It started off really sunny, really warm.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Then the rain poured, scared the bikes away, but
Queen Anne and Pearl are still sitting pretty. They're going to be wet to get on. We've got the get up on, but that's okay. We're gonna brave it. We're gonna go for a little bit of a rip. But we met a lot of cool folks here today. We really represented our brand, represented the city. Super cool to meet a lot of you. We got some new subscribers, some new folks that just never knew we existed. Now they know.
Yeah.
So if you
made it this far,
yeah,
comment, let us know. And if you missed out on any t-shirts, hats, hoodies, whatever you want, let us know. It's not your last chance to get them today.
We're gonna start dropping some merch and you guys are gonna like it, I promise. But anyway, if we saw you guys today, thanks for coming out. If you saw yourself in the video, leave us a comment. Let us know that you're in it. So and awesome to see you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. And
let's see where our adventure takes you.
Maybe we're gonna add in a little bit more riding today though. I feel like I wanna ride.
That's where our adventure is going to take us.
You might see a little bit more riding after this. But thanks for coming out, guys. Great to have you here.
Sink, sink, sink.
Sinky, sinky. That should be a good highlight. All right, everybody, we're back in the Steel Mountain Moto garage.
And it's been fun, but we're done.
Yeah, we went out for a little bit more of a Sunday ride. It was a rainy one. We stopped under a bridge in an industrial area.
And it got messy and
It got messy and muddy and dirty, but we did a little photo shoot session. So, yeah, maybe next time we'll see you at Halloween. Maybe. Stay tuned. But guys, we had a lot of fun. Like Marcus said, we're done. We're finished. So let's like, comment, subscribe.
Hit the bell. Don't forget it.
The one up there. Okay.
Hit that notifications.
Yes. And again, guys, if you saw yourself in today's movies, leave a comment. Let us know. But we're done. Peace out. Hope to see you soon.
Peace.
Peace. I missed the hand.
That's okay. Kind of works.
I think that was a good one, yeah?